I be real deaf for soup. Now make they give food backbone. But bros, you know say they smell. Make I give you body spray. Now smell of respect, not be smell of chemical. Now time and tradition build me. You? Now hot water and panic.
At least people know they cover nose when they want chop me.
Oga, shut up. You no get level you pirated fufu wanna be. The chop. Now real cow milk I be. You na factory give you destiny.
At least I get flavor. You are just plain like school uniform.
Oga, shut up. Sugar no be personality. Now real leaf and hot water make me. You are just a lab manufactured sugar and red water.
At least I know they spoil in 2 days.
My friend, shut up. Now preservative they give you pride. Now maybe still foundation. Now may they carry real culture. At least I know they stain pot and shirt. You they leave evidence everywhere. Color that shows Paolo is not a mistake. Hey you, sugar water in bottle. I have the real coconut.
At least I know they expire in 2 days like you.
My friend, shut up. You're nothing but chemical. Oh, boo!